Okay, look at the question number 15. There are 28 bulbs in a box. 7 bulbs are defective among them. The probability of getting non-defective bulb when a bulb is drawn randomly from the box. So here we find the probability of selecting non-defective bulb. So first find the total number of bulbs, which is n of s is 28. So next find the number of non-defective bulb by subtracting the number of defective bulbs from the total number of bulbs. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. So ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 7 ಏನು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, when a bulb is drawn randomly from the box, probability of getting non-defective bulb ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here P of non-defective bulb is equal to 21 divided by total number of outcome is 28. So B is the correct option.